today's video, we're going to be talking about creating that high quality product from nothing. We're going to do it from the very start, what I do, to the very end, including marketing. And you can do this for any product that you're putting on Teachers Pay Teachers, Boom, Classful, Made by Teachers, Etsy, any of the marketplaces. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, if you are new or returning, welcome here to It's All Primary, where we talk teacher side hustles. And let me just do a quick life update. If you don't want to hear about my life, just move forward. But you've probably noticed that there's a few less videos being uploaded, and it's mainly because of my voice. I have had some problems with my immunity since having COVID, and it affects my throat, my voice, my ears. My ears are constantly plugged. Sometimes I lose hearing. Right now I have no hearing out of this one ear. Stuff. And so it makes it a little bit hard to film videos when you don't have a voice to talk with. And I've taken more days off school this year than 25 years previous together. It's crazy. So if you have had things happen because you've had COVID, tell me about it. It's let's share in our, pain and suffering, okay? Anyways, so this video is going to be a little bit different than what I had originally planned a couple weeks ago when I was filming it, or starting to film it. And that is, initially I was just going to give you pointers on leveling up your product and then showing you what I would do using PowerPoint. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to do something from beginning to end. And I'm going to use my TPT template, which you can buy in my TPT store. I'm also, by the way, going to be updating it just a bit, and also adding a Canva template so that if you want to make this editable a little bit for yourself, you can do that. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally go from beginning to end, but I'm going to break it into smaller videos. So depending on what you feel you need, whether that's the planning, research, the actual creating of the product, the uploading of the product, the marketing of the product, whichever one you need, you'll have an individual video. And then when all of them are done, I'm going to actually make one big one from beginning to end. So I'm going to take all the pieces and join them together into one larger video. So this is going to be a great opportunity for you to create your own product with me. So tonight what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the planning, the research. Because for me personally, when I am making a product for my class, for example, I'm making one right now, I think, wait a second, is this worth putting on Teachers Pay Teachers? And if I see 100,000 existing products of what I'm making, I'm not going to put it up there. It's not worth my time. But the product that I'm going to show you tonight that I'm working on, it's low. Yay. So we're going to go through that. So like I said, we're going to go through the steps here. Tonight we're doing planning and research, and then we're just going to keep doing all the steps. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let's get at it. When starting a new product, I take my planning sheet and brainstorm ideas about the product, the potential keywords, and what resource type I want to do. For the product that I'm creating for my class right now, I'll be making math journal entries with a focus on Canadian coins. So while writing my notes, I have TPT website open and my keyword research template also open. When searching results in TPT, you will quickly see what is trending for the month. So I will write them down and keep track of those. And also, you will see in the search bar that there's a new option to add quotation marks. I will check the results with and without the quotation marks because I really don't know how many buyers will actually use quotation marks. Do you use quotation marks? Honestly, sometimes I do. So here you see me adding the search results into the keyword research. I'm somewhat surprised by these numbers. I thought they would be a lot higher. So I'll play with different terms, adding words, concepts, grades to see which one might get me onto that first page when buyers or potential buyers are searching. Do you see how the box goes green when I fill in the search results? That's telling me make this product. After I've played with the search results for about 30 minutes, I'm pretty convinced that this is a product that I should upload to TPT. So from here, I'm going to move on to learning standards. As mentioned in a short, higher quality products often align with educational standards. Buyers are no longer looking for just anything that looks good. They are being very intentional, wanting their money or the school's money to buy a resource that is going to best meet their needs. To finish up my planning and research, I will add a couple things such as the grades that I'm going to be highlighting, possible clip art or fonts that are coming to my brain right away. If not, I'll spend some time later on with that. Features that I want to add to make this product stand out. And I might even look at what the competition is offering and what they're selling it for, just to get myself a possible price range. Yeah, it's this part to me, sometimes it can take a little bit, especially when you have your eyes on a product and all of a sudden you're thinking it's got 60,000 search results, and then you've got to start thinking of other things. So this is why when I do keyword research, it can take me upwards of an hour. I usually only limit my keyword research from 30 to 50 or 30 minutes to an hour. But then when I do it, I know I don't want to make a product and find out it's like just too saturated. Because even though TPT is not saturated, there are niches that are saturated, and you don't want to be making a product that you're going to have to compete with 100,000 other products of the same type. So next week's video, the following video, is going to be on the actual creating of the product, and I'm going to be using PowerPoint, and I might even put a snippet of Google Slides as well, because I do know some of you are using Google Slides to make your products. My Google Slide products are still selling. They're some of my best sellers right now. So people are still using Google Slides. I do get that question. Should I still be making digital products? Yes, make digital products. So next week we're going to create with PowerPoint. Like I said, I might do an element of Google or make a Google one separately. Okay? So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy. Be healthy, please. I'm going to try and be healthier. And we'll see you in either that video or the playlist. Take care.